Hi everyone. So today our question, why mod minus 2 equal to 2? Mod minus 2 equal to 1 అని మనం ఎందుకు అంటాం అది ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. In real analysis, mod x minus y means distance between x and y. Distance between x and y. దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే యూజువల్ మెట్రిక్ అంటారు. దాన్ని యూజువల్ మెట్రిక్ అంటారు. సరే. Now come write mod 2 equal to mod 2ని 2 minus 0గా రాయండి. Write 2 as 2 minus 0. That equal to, so mod x minus y means distance between x and y. In similar manner, mod 2 minus 0 means distance between 0 and 2. So consider real line R. Here balancing element 0, here 2, and here minus 2. So distance between 0 and 2 is mod 2 equal to mod 2 minus 0. That means distance between 0 and 2. So 0 to 2 కి distance ఎంత 2 units. So our answer is 2. That way mod 2 equal to 2. Okay. Now come to our main question, mod minus 2. Mod minus 2 equal to mod, write minus 2 as minus 2 minus 0. That means distance between 0 and minus 2. So 0 నుంచి 2 కి ఎంత దూరం ఉంటుందో 0 నుంచి minus 2 కూడా అంతే దూరం ఉంటుంది. The distance between 0 and 2 is same as distance between 0 and minus 2. How much? 2 units. So answer is 2. So mod minus 2 equal to 2. This is the real concept, original concept. Okay.